Hello once again and welcome to the sixth and final section of the constructions. Today we are going to be talking about the last construction, construction 6, which is a perpendicular from a point off the line. Okay, so here we want to construct the perpendicular to the segment AC that will pass through point B, where point B is off of the segment AC. It is not on top of the segment. So to begin the process of this construction, the first thing we need to do is we need to set the center of our compass on point B. There's our compass. I'm placing the center of the compass on point B. Okay, so from there, I want you to swing an arc on segment AC such that so that it will intersect with AC twice. Okay. All right, notice here I have two intersections on the segment AC. I have one right there and the other one right there. So that is step one. Does not matter how far apart they are, right? Just swing an arc. Doesn't matter how long it is, right? Just was the case with construction 5. If I had needed to, I could have extended the segment in either direction. Here I didn't need to. Okay, so that is the completion of step 1. Now that we have that arc drawn, we have those two intersections, we can complete step 2 of the process. So see these two arcs, these two intersections that we have, we can take our compass, place the center on either one of those two, right? And now all we're going to do is swing an arc below the segment AC, right? Once again, we want the measurement of the compass to be at least halfway between the two intersections, those two red X's there, right? Doesn't have to be an exact measurement. Just make sure that it's at least halfway in between. So I'm going to swing an arc below on this side, right? Step 2. And step 3, once again, same exact thing. I want to keep the measurement the same exact way, right? We're just going to go from the other intersection. So steps 2 and 3, once again, go hand in hand. Move the center over to this side. And swinging an arc over here. Steps 2 and steps 3. So steps 1, 2, and 3 are now completed, right? And this is the hard part of the construction. We have completed the difficult parts of the project here, the construction. All we need to do now is the trivial step of connecting B and this intersection of these two arcs. Right? You will be using your straight edge to make this connection. Once again, I will be using the segment tool on the smartboard. So there we have it. We have now constructed the perpendicular to segment AC through point B off of the segment. Right? This is the sixth and final construction. Right? We can now use the tools that we've learned in these constructions in order to construct more complex figures. Right? As we've done in the past, now that I've walked you through the 4 steps in creating or constructing a perpendicular from a point off the line, I will now give you a problem for you to do on your own. So let's take a look at segment XY. Right? We're tasked here to construct a segment that is perpendicular to segment XY that also passes through point Z. Right, remember that if you need to, you can extend the segment XY on either side. Right? Just complete the steps 1 through 4, and you should be ready to go.